complete.
Hi, it's Candace and Baby Remus. What time is it? It is 10:39 a.m. I am red hot and sweaty. I've been up since before 7 a.m. So Mama's up and early today. So we were up and on the ball this morning. I was doing some late night unpacking last night, and then I know I had to get up early this morning because I had to go to GameStop, which I'll get to in a minute. I don't have my jewelry in today. Gotta remember to put that back in today so my holes don't close up. GameStop was releasing the Super Nintendo, the Nintendo SNES classic little retro vintage gaming system with the 21 games installed on it. I had wanted this like for months since they announced the release, so it was released this morning, and my friend Nita, who's the manager at the GameStop up here, told me since she's on vacation she couldn't hold one for me, so be there when they open. But I didn't know if there was going to be a line because everything I've been hearing is it's absolute chaos, and I know like any of these consoles you've got to be on it when they're released because they sell out. Especially with Nintendo, they do this crap where I'm shaking. They only release so many, and play this shortage game, and everybody struggles to get one. It's mass chaos, and I watched, I think it was Crazy Dope-tastic yesterday. You had to go to wherever he is. I think it was in New York or something. There was a fight broke out in GameStop waiting to get wristbands or something, and the police were called. People were acting a fool and stuff. So you just never know. So I got up this morning, went to GameStop around 7. There wasn't a line, so me and Remus went into Walmart to look at Halloween stuff. While I was in there, I thought, well, I'll see if they have them, so I can get one and go home, go back to bed. But they said that they sold theirs at midnight last night, and people were lined up at 7:30, and they sold out instantly, so they didn't have any. So, but I did go back to GameStop, and I waited in line. Met some awesome folks, which met this guy Ray, and he made this adorable little drawing of Pup Remus. So thank you, Ray. Can't wait to show that to Asia. She's gonna love it. But we did get our Super Nintendo Classic Edition. I'm in the car, so I'm not going to do an unboxing, and maybe I'll do an unboxing later. I don't know. Me and Nita, who's the GameStop manager, we have a event we're going to in Atlanta. You'll see the vlog. It's a Jim Henson exhibit and a screening of the Dark Crystal tomorrow. So I still have to get home, dye my hair, do some unpacking and some other stuff. So I don't know when I'll have time to unbox this. So, but just wanted to do a little morning vlog. I'm at the car wash. I had to vacuum out my car to make it rideable and presentable when me and Nita go to Atlanta tomorrow. So, but that's it for now. Me and Remus are about to get a cold beverage and head on home. Peace. Okay, so I'm home, and this is the box. So we got 21 games, which includes the never released Star Fox 2, And Zelda. I'm still not done playing Zelda Breath of the Wild, of course. I haven't turned on my Switch in a while because I've been so busy. And I know they've done the first expansion pass update. The next one's in December, so I really got to get on that. Anyway, here's a list of the games that comes on this. I'm sorry, I'm not on my regular camera. I'm doing a quick unboxing with my phone. I said I wasn't going to do one, but, you know, just for posterity's sake, you know, let's do a quick one. So I'm going to stop this right here, and I'm going to open the box. Okay, so I just read this, and I did not know I wasn't recording anymore. I'm used to being on my Canon camcorder. It's a super retro blast from the past with the return of the all-time fan favorite Super Nintendo Entertainment System. This mini-size Super NES Classic Edition system is packed with over 20 pre-installed classic Super Nintendo Entertainment System games from the 90s, fully loaded and ready to play using original-style Super NES Classic controllers. And on this side, Super NES Classic Controller. Play classic Super Nintendo Entertainment System games the way they were meant to be played on a full-size original Super NES controller. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. Includes all the original features, plus a control pad for quick control and movement, A, B, X, and Y buttons for rapid-fire action, special left and right shoulder buttons, and select and start menu selection, and pausing the games. Alright, so let's open her on up. So when you open up, you have your Nintendo manual. Hold on one second. Alright, so we have, hate doing this one-handed, especially with my crippled arthritic hands. Alright, so we have our controller. I'm not completely unwrapping these because I'm still unpacking my house and we're almost done. So I don't want anything to get damaged or lost in the shuffle. So I'm not going to unpack everything. But anyway, that is the other controller there. We have our, I guess that is our power adapter. And that is our HDMI cable. And yep, that is our power cable there. So, our piece de resistance. Hold on. And there it is. And I have tiny little dwarf hands. And it's about just a little bit bigger than my hand. So we have power and reset. So it is like the old system. So, but I will have to do well, I can't even say this is a review, so I can't exactly give it a secondary review. That's our HDMI and power. because this isn't really a review, it's just an unboxing. But I'll do a review once I'm able to hook it up and play it and check it out further. But it's very lightweight, very tiny, but very cool. I hope it's worth the hassle and the $80. I don't know about other places, but I know at GameStop you could get a 1 or 2 year warranty on it, and for, you know, $10 to $15, if you buy a brand new electronic, I always personally think it's best to get an extended warranty on your electronics. I always like getting them. I learned that a long time ago with laptops. So look at my room. I've actually been unboxing my unboxing, like real unboxing. Moving sucks, but yeah. So I've been working on, you know, unpacking, and there's tons of subscription boxes that need tending to. But no, I just think at the end of the day, it's always best to, you know, protect your electronic investments, even some of the cheaper stuff, especially something like this. If it's going to sell out and you can't readily replace it, you know, spend a few extra bucks to get a warranty on it. That's just my opinion. But that is just the unboxing for the Super Nintendo Entertainment System Classic Edition. Did you get one? If so, are you looking forward to it? Have you played it yet? What's it like? Let me know. Tell me in the comments below. Were you able to get one? So, but that's it for us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Say bye, Remus. Now, I'm off to have a rest and dye my hair. But that's it for now. Peace.